Hi everyone. In this video, we will find the required sample size for a confidence interval using the Ti-84 calculator. Suppose the speeds of vehicles traveling on a highway are normally distributed. If the population standard deviation is 2 miles per hour, use the calculator to find the minimum sample size needed to be 90% confident that the sample mean is within 1 mile per hour of the true population mean. Round to the nearest whole number. So in order to find the sample size, we need the z-value, and the z-value is going to come from inverse norm. In order to access inverse norm, we need to go to the distribute menu option, which is located on the vars key. You'll notice DISTR is in blue, so we need to click on second, which is blue, and then click on vars. From here, we're going to arrow down to inverse norm and click on enter. The area we computed underneath the curve is 0.95, so we're going to type that in first. Because we're looking for a z-value, we want this to be standardized, so we're going to leave the population mean is 0 and the population standard deviation is 1. We're going to use the left tail to compute our z-value, so from here we can arrow down a pace and click on enter. Now, if you're using an older calculator, this menu option could pop up first, in which case you would see inverse norm parenthesis. From here, you would type in 0.95 followed by a comma, and that's located above the 7 key, then 0, comma 1, and then left would not be needed, so you would close your parenthesis. From here, now we're going to click on enter. So the z-value we found for the sample size formula is 1.644853628. From here, I can click on the up arrow, highlight that z-value, click on enter. Then I can click on the square key. Then we need to multiply that by 2 squared. So I'm going to type 2 followed by the square key. And then I need to divide by 1 squared, so divided by, and then 1, and then the square key. From here, I'm going to click on enter, and we have computed our sample size to be 10.8221738. Now, sample sizes cannot be partial observations. We always round them up. So to answer this question, we're going to round to the nearest whole number, which is 11 vehicles. And now we're done.